Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So we're answering another Facebook group question. It says here, in my photo albums, there's a select category field for members to choose from. Default settings for this drop down is saying category 1, 2, and 3. How do I get this field to populate the relevant categories from my site? So your photo post album, in any case, any of your post types actually are going to be using their own category structure. So where you have your member categories here, these are for your business listings and stuff like that. These aren't going to be what you're going to use for your post type. So let me go to my content, edit post settings, and just show you the photo album post which you refer to in your question. So we'll go down. This is the photo album section here. Let's just go to the link first of all so we can see the page. Or the search results. So we can see here, this is just a default website. So what we're going to do is, if we click on select category, we can see that it just says 1, 2, and 3, and it's pulling that information from back into edit post settings and click on edit it. In the first tab, when that loads up, you'll see it says here category 1, 2, and 3. So this is where you place your categories for your post types. So they don't actually use the same categories as your member structure uses. They use their own categories. So you can put in here the name of each of your categories, and then separate each one just with a comma, and ensure that you leave a comma off your last one. Okay, but that's where you change your category structure for your photo albums, from what it currently is as default 1, 2, and 3 to whatever it is you want to display. I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.